enter a world where the sky's the limit.
Hello, sir. I'm called Vanessa Birungi. I came across a job advert requesting for maid. So I called, because I know I can do the job well. I'm a senior for graduate. Hello? Hello, sir. Hello? 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 But you phone. How can you do this to me in this situation? You know I badly need this job. How can you do this? I wish I could throw you away. Dear Lord, please help me this once in my life. I know it seems hard because I might have missed a chance out on this job. But please make a way so that I get that job. I ask of you, please. Amen. Yes, sir. I'm the one. Okay. Can I please know your location? I'll ask around. Thank you, sir. Good morning, madam.
Good morning. What exactly are you doing here?
I've been looking for Mr. Jackson, and according to the directions, this could be the place.
Whoever you are, this is not a charity organization. We don't entertain beggars here.
Madam, I'm not a beggar. I'm here for a job interview.
Job interview?
Yes.
Sabrina? Sabrina,
Yes, sir.
what's going on there?
There's a beggar claiming to be here for a job interview.
And what's her name?
What is your name?
I'm Vanessa Bironji, madam.
Bironji? Birungi kigwe bikulimu. Labayo bwofaanana. I hear she's called Vanessa.
Oh, I was expecting her. Let her come in.
You're welcome, young lady. Jack, aren't you going to...
To what? I mean, just look at her. For heaven's sake, who goes for an interview looking like a rag? No, William, she won't manage working for me.
I promise I can work, sir. I'm energetic. I can work.
Jack, just interview her because that's why she's here.
How old are you? And have you worked before?
I'm 26. I've not worked entirely, but I've always been busy with house chores. I know everything about a home.
So did you think about it before coming here? I mean, just look at my house. Aren't you going to just make it dirty?
I'll wash up and I'll maintain cleanliness.
Okay. Just go and switch off the lights for me.
Can I know where the switch is?
Now, that's good, young lady. It's good to ask what you don't know.
So, who are your parents? And where do they live?
I...
You have no origin.
It's just... I can work, sir. I promise I can work.
You know what, Jack? Just put her on a probation.
All right. Sabrina? Sabrina?
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Please, take her around. Show her where we wash from and probably her responsibilities.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm hired. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now listen to me carefully. I'm in charge of everything here, okay? Actually, I'm your second boss. Have you heard that?
Yes, please.
Now you must do exactly as I tell you, okay? You must make sure food is prepared on time. You clean the kitchen thoroughly.
That one I can.
Hey, shut up! I'm the one talking here. You lay beds and change towels every now and then. Am I clear? You see this bathroom? I want it clean like it is, okay? I don't want to see any dirt anywhere. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, yes.
You'll be using this as your sponge. As you can see, you're looking so dirty and smelly. And that towel, the pink towel,
Yes.
it's the one you'll be using. After showering, you come and give you new clothes. And you remove those filthy clothes of yours. Clean yourself thoroughly.
Okay.
Otherwise, we won't entertain many things in this house. Am I clear?
Yes, please.
It's a nice one. Excuse me. Get me my phone.
Where can I find it, sir?
In the sitting room.
Can I have that?
Yeah, sure. What's going on? Oh my God. She even has diseases that we don't know.
Just move aside. Let me see. She's not dead.
I can see that because I'm not blind. But I mean, a disease that can cause fainting should be serious. I hope it's not contagious.
Stop panicking. Just let me carry her to the bedroom so that I can maybe check her further.
Okay.
Just do that.
All right. We need to check her. Okay. William, what are we going to do? Should we take her to the hospital? Because the situation might get worse.
Just relax, okay? Just relax. She's just fatigued and seems to be stressed. According to her pulses.
Doctor. Now, what has she done that has caused this fatigue?
You see, it happens. Sometimes it happens. relax, okay?
I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay, relax.
I'm fine.
Sure?
Yes, I'm fine. I can work.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, you need to sleep. You need to relax.
No, I'm okay. I can work.
Okay, but you need to sleep.
William, first come. Just a second.
Just relax, okay?
I can work, sir.
What do you think of yourself to worry us like that?
I'm sorry, madam. I promise it won't happen again.
No. You know what? Just forgive yourself and go somewhere else you can lay off your troubles from. But not here.
I'm sorry, madam.
Oh, William. This is really abnormal. What has caused fatigue to this woman, seriously? I thought fatigues for people who've done a lot of work and they're tired without resting. But this one?
I'm a medical doctor. On the contrary, even your mind can get you fatigued. Just your mind.
Okay, I do understand. But there is something so strange to this woman.
What?
Okay, let me tell you this. This woman, she has got spirits on her head.
What?
Trust me. I know you don't know this because in UK it's not there. But it is so strange.
Jack, how dare you? It's outrageous.
Okay, it seems outrageous, but...
Just calm down, okay? Give her some time.
William, look, let's do this. Let us let her go. After all, I did not like her to begin with. Otherwise, we need peace in this house. We need to be at peace. Okay? Get well soon.
Dear Lord, grant me your healing mercy. Please heal me from whatever I'm suffering from. Grant me confidence and give me strength so that I can do my work. Don't let me go back to the suffering I've survived because I've suffered enough. And please help me get along with my new family. Through Jesus Christ our Lord I've prayed. Amen.
Oh, Jack. Good morning. How was your night? Okay. Goodbye. So this dirty slut thinks she can play this game better than me? Okay. Fine. Let's see who gets appreciated on stage.
Wow. Vanessa,
Yes, please.
you mean you've done all this work by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. You're fine?
Yes. Please, sir, forgive me for yesterday's situation. I promise it will not occur again.
Oh, brother, are you already set for work?
Isn't that obvious, Doctor?
You smile.
Oh, thank you. Wait a minute.
What?
Do you know what? Can you imagine? Vanessa has turned our house into paradise in just a day. It's unbelievable.
But I told you to give her a chance. Sometimes it's not good to judge a book by its cover.
But this takes me back to what I told you yesterday. This woman is possessed. Trust me. Because someone who was dying last night, how come she has woke up so energetic and she could do all this work?
That's why I think now she has passed the probation. Just go out there and buy her some outfits. Because you saw she did not carry any clothes.
Yeah, that's okay. But still, there is something I don't understand about this woman. And I'm yet to find out. Because we've been with Sabrina for quite a long time. Quite a good time. But this fool has not done anything close or related to this.
Jack, just get to work. Aren't you late?
Yeah, sure. Anyway, see you.
Okay. Good day.
Oh, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, Sabrina. You fine?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. I hope you're fine too.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, that's good. Vanessa? Vanessa?
Yes, please, madam.
Is this how you're going to work? See how you've disorganized the sitting room. Just take a look at it. Look at it. Huh?
I'm sorry, madam.
Don't madam me. Look at her. Don't wiseacre. Vanessa? Vanessa, don't wiseacre. In fact, if you're to do anything here, first report to me, okay? Now go to the kitchen and prepare food because the boss is about to come back. And where are you rushing to? Huh?
I was about to take my medicine.
Are you dense? Are you? I just told you right here, that before doing anything, report to me first. Had you reported to me? Now go to the kitchen and prepare food.
In this life, we go through a lot, fear and dream, where to go. But Jesus never gives up on us. How we don't present, get to victory.
You're here, sir.
Have you taken your medicine?
I forgot, sir, but I can take it right now.
She doesn't seem to have it, but one day
Thank you, sir.
God made
Go carefully. Okay?
Give up or never give up or
Sabrina? Sabrina?
Yes, sir.
Come here for a moment.
Yes, sir.
I want you to go to the pharmacy and buy me semaglutide. Some people call it Ozempic.
Sir, you said sema what?
Oh. Please hurry up. It's past my medicine time.
Sir.
Help. Help. Help.
What's wrong, sir? What's wrong?
Get in my phone.
It's here, sir.
Okay. Call my brother.
I don't know the number.
Put diary and then search for JJ.
He's here, sir.
Jack. Listen me. Where are you?
What should I do? So what should we do? Take some water, please. You'll feel better. Oh, you're here, madam.
Yes, I'm here.
Let me have the medicine I gave you.
What? Are you an idiot? Has the doctor directed you on how to use the medicine, or he has directed me?
Oh, please. He's not going to wait for us to finish our disagreement.
Don't move away! Just move away! Sir, please take this. Take some water, take some water. Sorry. Sorry, sir. You will be fine.
William, doctor,
Yes, yes, sir.
what happened? Oh, William. Oh God.
Oh, it's gone.
William, what exactly happened?
I forgot to take my medicine on time. And I didn't know it was finished.
Oh, so you're fine now?
Yeah, I think I'm fine. It's okay.
You scared the hell out of me.
Sorry.
It's all right.
It's okay, brother.
You.
Right. Vanessa?
Yes.
I must say thank you very much
For what?
for everything, my dear. Everything.
It's my duty.
Oh, Dad. She helped me. She saved my life. Even when I wanted to speak to you, I could not. But she was there for me.
Have this. I'm going to wear them tomorrow morning. Thanks.
Oh, baby. So you're finally here. You thought about me? I know it's not these clothes that brought you here.
Excuse me? I'm your boss, for your own information. And remember, I pay you for this kind of work. Right?
But why have you changed suddenly? Don't tell me it's because of this dirty slut that you accepted to contaminate our atmosphere.
Oh, come to talk about that. In fact, she's more useful compared to you.
Jack. Jack. Remember, you and me are an item.
Oh.
As a result of your first sex. Remember your first being to this? And if you do not come down to your senses, I'll tell William about this.
Oh, you stupid prostitute. Don't bring my brother into these silly games of yours. Remember, I don't even remember what transpired between us. People give me a hard time. That's nonsense.
Sabrina. Sabrina. What are you doing here? How did you come in my bed? Get out. Get out of my bed. Get out. What are you doing here? You're still sleeping. Is this your bed? Get out. I said out. Just go out of my bed.
Maybe it's you who robbed me.
Oh,
Because literally, I was drunk.
really?
Excuse me.
Lord, into your hands I commit my life, because I know that on my own I can't. Lord, into your hands I commit my life, because I know that on my own I come. You're here, sir.
No. I was just still enjoying the voice, the beautiful melody. Oh my God. Anyway, my brother told me last time, the day you fainted, that was because of fatigue. So why don't you take a rest?
I'm all right, sir. Don't worry about me.
Then get up and don't get me worried by taking a rest. Please.
In this life, we go through a lot, meandering where to go. But Jesus
Vanessa?
never gives up
Vanessa,
on
a
us.
moment, please.
A little princess gets to victory.
Are you free now?
Yes, I can do my other work later.
Oh, that is good. You can have a seat.
No, sir.
No, it's okay. You sit.
I'm fine here.
No, Vanny, it's a free world. You just sit. Don't mind. Just sit. Don't mind, okay? It's a free world. Sit comfortably. Okay, good. Vanessa, do you know that I can change your life?
Sir,
Yes, please.
is it in good faith or bad faith?
Oh, yeah, of course, in good faith. See, if you agree, I can take you with me back to UK. Did you say something?
No, maybe,
No, it's okay. It's okay, Vanessa. I can give you all the time, okay, to think about it. Take your time, think about it, okay? Don't worry yourself.
Vanessa! Vanessa!
Yes, sir.
Where's your working station? Eh? Where's your working station? Where have you been? Eh? Stop acting innocent. Answer me. Where have you been? So you've started disorganizing this entire house. I'm seeing dust everywhere. Answer me. Where have you been?
Hey, what on earth do you think you're doing, Jack? Vanessa, what's happening here?
William, this is my business, and these are my workers. Okay?
Okay, Vanessa, just leave us alone. My dear, you can go.
Oh. She's now your dear. Very soon she's becoming your sweetheart, I suppose. You've had him right. Go!
Vanessa, I want you to listen to me carefully. You better leave this house instantly before I do to you what I've always done to those that stand in my way. I hope I'm clear, Vanessa. Rubbish. Baby, I can see you going for work, love.
What did you just call me?
Don't think you can use me and then you just dump me like trash.
Get your hands off me. Stupid slut.
Tell me something. Are you jealous of your brother?
Oh. Sabrina, mind what comes out of that dirty mouth of yours.
Oh, now you listen to me. You better clear that dirty mind of yours. If at all you're developing any feelings for Vanessa, whatever her name is, before I do something stupid.
You know what? You better pack up all your stuff and leave. Otherwise, your days are numbered here.
In your dreams.
Okay.
Dr. William!
Yes. Why are you on top of your phone?
Doctor, I want to make a deal with you. And I'm sure it can work for both of us.
And who told you that I earn my money out of deals? And to make matters worse for a naive person like you.
Doctor, wait. Wait, please. After hearing me out, you may change your mind about this beautiful, naive woman in front of you now.
Okay. You can go ahead. I'm all ears.
Doctor, you know I love Jack. And I can see you have a special eye for Vanessa. So, why don't you convince Jack to love me as I convince Vanessa to love you?
Cut it off. I don't make such deals. Let me tell you, if I want anybody, I'll just go straight and tell them by myself. Out of my sight. I said out of my sight.
Okay. Vanessa, come here. Hurry up.
Yes, please, madam, you called me.
Yes, I called you. Vanessa, get this straight. Stop seducing my husband from today onwards.
I don't even know your husband, so how can I love him?
Shut up when I'm talking to you. Indeed, God should forgive you. Because at this rate, I cannot forgive you. Besides, Jack is mine. Oh, I've never told you this before, but Jack and I have shared a bed before. I hope you know what that means.
Hey, what's happening here? Huh? Sabrina, what exactly do you think you're doing? Huh? Huh? Vanessa, go back to what you're doing. And you, go inside and do what you're supposed to do.
Never give up or rest.
Ish.
Never give up or rest. When God blows the wind, it's
Vanessa?
the winds of change.
Vanessa?
When God
First come.
blows the wind, it's the winds of change.
Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. How's your afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Vani, please forgive my manners for the past few days. And I've been a total jack. But please forgive me. I don't know what has been happening to me.
You don't need to apologize to me, sir. I'm okay with everything. Maybe I should be the one to apologize because I could be the cause of your troubled heart. But I promise I'll do better.
Okay. Have this little thing. I got it for you. It's a gift of appreciation for your great work. Please, go and fit it in. Then you come and we see how you look.
Thank you, sir. Sir?
Wow. Jack, what a beauty we have in the house.
Vanessa, that cloth doesn't look good on you. Yeah, in fact, just go and remove it. I wish I had bought the usual outfits of yours.
Jack, are you sick? She looks good in that. Can't you see it?
Just go and remove it.
Never give up or rest. Never give up or rest. When God blows the wind,
But
it's the winds of change.
will I ever do anything pleasant for my boss? God, please take away the spirit of rejection. I was not only rejected in my home village, but even here, which is miles away. I can't seem to get along with my boss. God, please, help me.
Vanessa. Vanessa,
Yes.
why are you crying?
Please have this dress.
Where have you gotten it from?
Just take it.
Okay. It looks like a new dress.
Yes, it is new.
Thank you.
Vanessa? Vanessa? Vanessa?
Yes, honey.
Are you stupid? Are you Vanessa?
Honey, now, am I not smart?
Okay. By the ICU has to be out of bounds, let alone the theater as well. Yes, I mentioned that in the last body meeting we had before I traveled back to Uganda.
Anyway, let me see what I can do. Oh, but the truth is, I cannot come back to UK before getting my brother married. Oh, okay, bye-bye.
So, how far have you gone with what we last talked about? Should I continue with the arrangement or not?
Sir, you mean about us traveling together?
Yes. Have you made up your mind?
About that, I first have to talk to Sajak about it.
Hey. So, Jack is one of your relatives and I'm not aware.
No, sir. He's my boss.
Okay, I should maybe give you some time.
Wow. That is what I call manly love.
And who cares about what you call it?
Well, I care. Just let everything flow as it is and marry me. Don't be taken by that drafty woman.
Hey, mind about what you say to me, woman. Oh, sorry about that. You can come in my room when you're done. Okay? I should look more relevant compared to William. After all, I'm her boss. I'm going to make her work the whole night. Okay.
Vanessa? Where are you going?
Sajak asked me to go to his room. Maybe he wants something.
And after blatantly telling me this, do you think I'll let you go to him? You husband snatcher. Better go to your room before I release the beast in me.
What do you think you're doing? Huh? Come in.
Yes.
What took you all that long? It's okay. It's all right. So don't you know that when someone gives a gift, you have to keep it?
It looked beautiful and fitting when Madame Sabrina said I gave it to her.
Who is your madam? Huh? This should be the last time. The last time. Anyway, you're so beautiful to put on such outfits. I realized you look good on your usual clothes.
Okay, sir.
Now start organizing my room.
Where could this girl be at this time? Oh, it seems she has started loving my brother. Okay. 'Cause 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 'cause
I'm done, sir. I beg to leave.
This is your room.
No, sir. This is your room.
Commit my life to you, my Lord, because our little princess is finally a winner. Because our little princess is finally a winner. Never give up or
Jack, what do you think you just did embarrassing me before Vanessa?
Just pack up and leave tomorrow morning.
Have you forgotten that we have a contract that has not yet expired?
Just get out of my room. Now.
Man.
Get out.
Man.
So this is what I want to work on. Yeah. So you can see most of them have like now this shady work. Yeah. See, they did not finalize here. Yeah, it takes some good money.
This is good work. Thank you for working hard.
Yeah.
You know, putting up such things is easy.
Yeah,
It's really
sure.
good. Thank you for working hard. Though my vacation is soon expiring. Yeah, a lot of calls have been coming in lately, and too much work is piled up now at the clinic.
So, when are you going back to UK?
Yeah, as soon as you're getting married. Come on, Jack. You don't have to laugh. I'm damn serious.
Oh, William.
Why?
You know, I don't have a serious girlfriend as per now.
Yes, then you should get one.
Okay. Yeah, the one I had who seemed to be serious. We broke up after realizing that I wasn't ready for marriage. And she got even married.
Come on, look here, my brother. You're not getting young anymore. You're getting old. You know, you need to have a wife, kids around. Just look around these properties that you have, trying to take me around to see. You know, you need to have a wife. Because you don't have to be like these boys roaming around. Nobody will give you that respect. They will not take you serious.
Yeah. But you know,
Come
my
on.
friend. Yeah, I think even this is something that I hadn't thought of. Otherwise, I need to make an excavation here. So that this water just sinks down. Otherwise, the papers are getting spoiled. Yeah, I think I will work upon this.
It's exactly how you should wife. It's not the kind of it.
Yeah, William. Yeah. Yeah, William.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing? Eh? Are you in love with my brother?
No, sir.
But I've been seeing you lately, both of you, the way you behave.
I'm sorry, sir, for...
Vanessa, tea is ready.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I need to spice up my tea. Can you get me ginger? Oh, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Ah! Help! Somebody help me! Oh my god! Somebody help me! Are you here? Somebody help me, please! Oh! Somebody help me!
What's wrong?
Why did somebody want to kill me?
What is it?
And so when you want to kill me, is it because of Jack? But Jack loved me first.
Why would I want to kill you? God forbid.
Oh my god.
Vanessa, is it true what she's saying?
No, sir.
No, tell me the truth before I call police.
I'm telling you the truth. Even if you take me to police, I'm innocent.
Oh my God. I didn't know I'm harboring criminals here, killers. Vanessa, right now, go pack up your stuff and go. Hurry up.
She's not going anywhere. Instead, your mistress should leave.
Well, she has been trying to kill someone.
She's a murderer. Jack, I saw everything. What?
Yes.
Vanessa is innocent. She's a murderer.
Doctor. Hello? Sabrina. Doctor. Wait.
I'm sorry for everything. All because I loved you, Jack. Every woman was a threat to me, and my success of winning your love. It's me who tried to kill Vanessa. All because lately you have been throwing passes at her. This could kill me inside. But Jack, it's because you could care less. I started seeing this, so I decided to do something. Even reached the point of kissing her.
You criminal. So this is what you are? How could you? How could you really? When I get back here, I shouldn't find you here. If I find you, I will hand you over to the authorities myself.
But what about the contract, Jack?
Shut up, you punk. You breached the contract by your actions. It's no longer valid. I should not find you here. Just shut up and get out of my house.
Jack, don't be merciless like this. William, please, plead for me. Tell him that I love him so much that no one else will love him as I do.
Never. I can't make that mistake of welcoming a stranger, an idiot, a murderer into our family. Never. Just leave me alone. Need to plead for you.
In this life, we go through a lot. Be and dream where to go.
What do you think you're doing, young lady?
Let me live, sir. I've endured a lot in this home. But, to be precise, my dignity has been trampled on. All because of stupid accusations that I never even get to understand.
Let me tell you, my dear, there's no work that has no challenges. Even me as a medical doctor, I've been slapped by patients on many occasions under given circumstances, but I've not quit. Every place of work has its own challenges. But you just need to pray to God to give you strength to be able to endure. Vanessa, remember that patience pains, but it pays. And besides, you told me a lot about you. So you want to go back to the streets?
I would rather go back to the streets than stay here and be treated like a rat.
Vanessa, you told me that you have a lot of dreams. Just keep in mind that he who loves the rose bears with the thorns.
No, what do you mean, sir?
To have something that you want in life, in most cases you have to go through hardships on many occasions. And besides, my brother cannot find someone as good as you. So, will you stay?
I'll try to endure.
Just be strong, okay? Okay, now, get back your things in the wardrobe.
I messed up.
Jack, what happened?
I messed up big time. I messed up.
What happened? Have you done something out there that I need to know?
How could I believe anything that the devil said to me? I know she hates me now, I suppose. I can't look at her.
Who? Whom are you talking to?
My princess.
Whom are you talking about?
My princess, Vanessa. Just take me to my room. Don't want to see me messed up like this.
Okay, it's fine, brother, okay? It's fine. But look here. Just put anything that happened aside, okay?
Okay.
She's a good person. What you have to do, early in the morning, just go to her and apologize.
Will she forgive me?
You would be good to go.
Will she
Trust
forgive me, my
Yes,
brother?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll do that.
Okay, we go?
I'll do that.
Okay, please. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah.
Jack, you don't have to mess up like this, okay? Huh?
I'm sorry. Vanessa, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I'm stupid. Please, forgive me. Just forgive me. Vanessa, forgive.
Sir, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry.
Please, stop apologizing.
Sorry, forgive me, Vanessa. Just forgive me.
Just go back to your room. It's late.
I'm so sorry about that. Just forgive me. I'm sorry.
Sir William! Sir William! Sir! Stop, please! Sir William!
Why are you crying? What are you doing in my room?
Jack, wait. Listen, what have you done to my brother? Tell me. Don't tell me that all along you've been in love with my brother. Why, Vanessa, why? Why did you have to do this to me?
are you so childish?
Hey, stop right there. How'd you bump into my room and start lecturing me? Huh? You think I don't know that you love Vanessa? Are you not even ashamed of yourself? That you want to just use her? You're going back to UK. So why are you playing around with her?
Stop it, Jack. Stop it right there. Why do you want always to play the victim? Do you realize the magnitude of what you've just done out there? And by the way, how did you enter into Vanessa's room? She was a virgin, for heaven's sake.
I know that. I know. My goodness. Who in this world of today reaches her age and she's still virgin? I don't know whether what I feel are just instincts or I love her. But the fact is that I've never felt like this about any woman, not even my ex.
And that's the more reason I want you to think hard. I don't love Vanessa in the way that you are sure. I've been doing all this what I've done for the good of you, because I wanted you to marry the right person. And according to what I've discovered, Vanessa is the right woman to marry.
Now, William, what should I do? Tell me.
What you've just done out there is murder. No man in the world is allowed to rape, because rape is murder. And the only thing that can soften her heart is to marry her, period. And you need to go and apologize to her immediately.
Please, let's get you take a shower. Then we shall talk about it later. Please. You should stop crying. Sorry. Please, let's go.
Yeah.
Anyway,
It's a bit funny.
yeah.
But as regards to this, I think you don't have to call a big number since I'm going back soon, and it will require a lot of time and a lot of investments. We don't have to put much money in this.
But now the question is, whom do I call and whom do I leave? You know, my workmates, my friends, both families. I'm really stuck.
No, it's simple. You can maybe leave most of them out and hold a civil marriage and maybe get a Uganda Registration Services Bureau certificate. And maybe a few of Vanessa's relatives. Just like that. Simple. Maybe later on you will hold a public marriage ceremony. Maybe in the future. You don't have to put in much investment.
I think that is a very brilliant idea. It's a very brilliant one. But still, where do we start from?
Come on, Jack. I trust you in this. You've organized so many events, you know. I know how you can juggle this. You will juggle it out.
Anyway, I think I will. You know, you give me the confidence.
Trust me. Simple.
Is this Flona Fashions? Good. I'm called Jack, and I would love to press an order. Yeah, I have a simple function, let me call it that. I want to engage my sweetheart. Actually, I want to propose. Yeah, I would love to get a very nice looking party dress with shoes. Yeah? 40, around 40. And also, can you get me the engagement ring? Wow, that will be wonderful. Yeah, I mean nice, please. I mean nice. And can I get them today? So you do delivery, right? All right, I'll be waiting. Come with my receipt, please. All right, thank you so much. I mean nice. Nice. Okay, thanks.
Vanessa? Have you finished dressing up? The visitor's about to come.
I'm almost done. I'll be right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hope you're ready. Sure.
I'm here, sir. I'm here. Oh, they're at the gate. Should I go and open the gate?
Oh, come on.
Wow. Wow. Are the visitors already here? Should I go and open the gate?
Come on. Vanny, you're so smart and beautiful to open the gate. Wow. Vanessa, will you marry me? Please. Please.
Say yes.
Thank you. Congratulations. My sister.
Wow.
Congratulations, my sister. Ah.
No, sir, I don't drink.
Okay.
We go through a lot.
To the new couple. To the new couple. To the new couple.
Please, stop it.
All right. Come on, baby. Oh. Mrs. Jack, a moment, please. Mrs. Jack or sister-in-law?
Are you talking to me, sir?
Oh, yes. You mean you don't know what your new name is going to be?
About that, I was just not expecting you to call me by that name now.
Oh, okay. Now, call me your husband.
Yes, sir.
Please. Mrs. Jack.
Sadia! Sir William is calling you.
She will get used. I know. Jack, sister-in-law, I think it's high time for me to go back to UK. See, a lot of my work has been pending for quite some time now.
But as you're going back so fast, I mean, you're welcome here for a lifetime.
Yeah, but...
Sir William, we are really going to miss you.
Come on, babe. You don't need to miss him. I'm here.
I didn't mean it that way.
Oh, so Jack, you still feeling insecure about me? Come on.
I just pulled both your legs.
Yes, on a serious note, I must thank you for taking good care of me.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. And please don't make any mistake of getting married before I come back. Jack? Sister-in-law. Please, Jack, I want you to promise me that you're going to take good care of the princess.
Definitely, I will.